Alright, hello. This is Reverend Dove with ZPZap and the Violet Ray Wand. I just want to talk about electrodes for a minute. So each electrode slips down into the handle, like so. I keep my handle covered because I use a lot of essential oils and I don't want my handle to get all oily, or the essential oils can literally break down plastic, so I just like to keep mine covered, and then I can take it off and wash it. And there's an on-off switch at the bottom, intensity. And so since this roller is new in the 7 electrode kit, I just want to demonstrate what that looks like with that argon gas in there. With your argon and your neon, both. Okay. That does come with the kit. The optional electrodes that I sell that don't come with the kit are the spiral, sinus tube, the metal tip wart cauterizer, and this is for the ladies' Yoni. The spirals I sell for $25. You can get all these optional ones in argon or neon. In fact, you can get the whole kit in neon if you want it. It will take you longer to get it. Or you can just get some optional tubes in neon if you want to play with that, but now you have the neon roller. So some people just like this spiral. The sinus tube, I give instructions when people get that. And the metal tip, you can place it close to the skin and turn it on. Like a friend that has plantar fasciitis, this seems to help. But it will also cauterize a wart. Throw a spark. Okay. I'll put my finger in there, but whoa. Yeah. There's a spark. Okay, so that makes more UV. The UV doesn't penetrate the glass, and it makes more ozone. So if you have an application like sterilization, fungus, you know how to make a spark. And this is for the ladies' Yoni. It's a little longer than the lightsaber that comes in the kit. They both have a condenser coil. This looks very much like the old vintage ones that the doctors used to use. And I give it instructions if you think you might need, if you think you might have an application for this, you can contact me and we can talk about it. So, 25, 20, 20, 20, plus shipping. Unless you get it with the kit, there's no shipping. Alright, thank you so much.